Today, we're working on the passenger side door alignment of this 1967 Triumph TR4A. From this angle, the passenger side door fits very well from front to back. But if I would bring you just a little closer here, you can see there's a fitment issue. It's not closing all the way. And so if I take and I shove, you can see it. And then I take and I shut the door, it's still there. There's a nice gap. There's a couple different things that could be causing this. There are 4 different adjustments on this car. First, the door hinges. Those are lining up real nice. You can see that the body doesn't have this same gap problem when you're looking at the front door jamb. On the back, it's got it. So we don't think that it is door hinges. This car also has a door latch striker on the inside of the door, which is here. You can see this turns. If I press this in, it'll turn that way. It'll always turn the other way to latch. This is what actually grabs the door. There's a post connected to it that helps fit into the door latch piece on the B-pillar. It also has these door guides be guided in. The door guides seem to be lining up good and don't have a problem. Where I think this door has a problem is in this striker and latch assembly. Now this seems to be turning and working good. It's grabbing. There's not a lot of play in it. What needs adjustment on this car is the inside of the door latch on the B-pillar. This is the door striker on the passenger side. I don't know how well you could tell from this view, but it is definitely pointed towards the earth or towards the ground. This isn't the way my driver's side door is adjusted. That is what's causing the problem. It's really hard to show you today on video because I sort of have to look inside of the door jamb as the door is closing. But the striker actually comes over and grabs on these 2 bumps. And I actually think it's grabbing, but it's not. The second turn of the striker, there's sort of a partial closed spot and then a full closed spot. The second turn doesn't look like it's grabbing on this bump the same way the other side is. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to adjust this upward. We're going to do it in increments because you don't want to overcorrect here. I'm also going to just take some tape and tape where this is, and that will help me know where it was in case I just messed this up so bad that I got to start over. So I think to adjust this, all we're doing is loosening up each of these screws, and that should allow us to move it. And you see they're not so hard here. And so now I've moved it upward just a little bit. Not a lot. That post on the door latch still has to fit in there, in here. So you go too high, I don't think it'll work at all. So we made the first adjustment. We're going to shut the door again. I can see already that it is still not in line. It is better. It is a little closer. The door is still proud when we shut it. We just showed you that, but it's not nearly as proud as it was. So we've got part of the problem fixed. We just need to keep going. But I've actually measured the other side of the door, and the edge of this striker plate is about 3/4 of an inch from the door jamb here, the edge of the door jamb. And so what I'm going to try to do is mimic it here and see how it fits. As I finish the adjustment here, and before I show you the completed project, now is a perfect time to either comment or subscribe. Both are completely free and excellent ways to support my channel and to continue to receive content. I'm telling you right now, the thing is shutting much more solid. There is no longer any play at all there in the door, so probably much safer and closing more tightly. But you're also going to notice, wow, it's lining up essentially perfectly right now. Top to bottom, there's a bit of an angle there. It can be a bit deceiving, but it is lined up just perfectly. So all we had to do today was adjust 3 screws. Quick video today. Excellent car, old car, which means there's lots of little things like this on it. So keep watching. We'll have more TR4 videos coming. Thanks for watching today, and please like or subscribe if you enjoyed this content.